Hey, we're in Fort William. We're going to be doing some mountain climbing, but as usual it's raining, because it always does in Fort William. So two things to do in Fort William when it's raining. Number one, spend all your money in Nevisport. Number two, find a waterfall. Let's go find a waterfall. If you want to climb the mountains around here, you have to get to the other side of this bridge, which is Mo is demonstrating now. So that was Steall Falls, and that's Ben Nevis up there. And it's got snow on the top. So this was Monday. That's Steall Falls. Tomorrow, the hills. This is Tuesday. And that is Buachaille Etive Beag. That's us at the Bialach now, or the call. Thanks to some clever people with GPSs, Buachaille Etive Beag is now 2 Munros. So we have Stob, Coire, Raineach up there. That's facing Glencoe. And 1.5 kilometres along the ridge, over the back of this bump, is Stob. That's where we're heading first, and so it's a 2 Munro, 2 SOTA summit, 12-point day, if all goes well. The summit is in sight. Summit number 1. Look at that for a view. Welcome, Mo.
Good luck to you. Bye bye.
Thanks, Chris. Bye bye. QRZ.
Papa Alpha.
QRZ.
Golf 0 Victor Whiskey Papa.
QRZ Mike 0 Echo Fox India Portable.
Oscar November 3 Uniform Alpha.
0 Echo Foxtrot India Portable. QRZ.
Golf 0 Romeo Quebec Lima. Charlie.
Charlie Kilowatt X-ray. Go with full call sign.
Eco Alpha 2 Charlie Kilowatt X-ray. Eco Alpha 2 Charlie Kilowatt X-ray. 5x2 right there, Robert.
7-3. Bye bye. QRZ.
Golf 4 India Papa Bravo. Golf Bravo. Golf 4 Bravo.
Okay, I've got Golf 4 India Papa Bravo. Strong signal 59. Over. QRZ. Okay, there's a bit of a pile up there. Station ending Bravo. Go with full call sign.
Golf 4 Whiskey Sierra Bravo.
Okay, QRZ Mike 0 Echo Fox India Portable. Okay, nothing heard. I'm going to QRT and head for the next summit. Thank you so much for the calls, everyone. Bye bye.
Golf 4
Golf 4 Alpha Papa Oscar. Well done for sneaking in. I had my hand on the power button and you're 59 over.
Okay, thanks for the 5 and 9. You're 5 and 7, 57, 557 QSL.
Yeah, QSL on 5-7. Thanks for the call this morning, and I'm doing another one later, so I might hear you again. Over.
That would be nice. Have a good activation on the next one, and thanks for the points here. You take care. Golf 4 Alpha Papa Oscar.
Yeah, G4 APO MM0 EFI portable. Thanks for the call. 7-3, and I'm now going QRT. Up, up, up we go. Yeah, this one's quite rough. Nearly there. $20 band 14.305 sideband. That's gone. It's 12:53. CQ Summits on the air, CQ SOTA. This is Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India Portable calling. CQ SOTA from Golf Mike Whiskey Sierra 096. Golf Mike Whiskey Sierra 096 QRZ.
Foxtrot 4, Whiskey Bravo November.
Foxtrot 4, Whiskey Bravo November. Good afternoon, Chris. You're 59, 5-9 onto Golf Mike Whiskey Sierra 096 QSL.
Roger, Fraser, thanks for the 5-9 report. Good afternoon. You're also 59, very nice signal and nice modulation, over.
Oh, that's great. Thanks for that, Chris. Thanks for the modulation report. And you're first in the log again, so well done, Chris. I'll see you on the next one. Okay, mate. 7-3.
7-3, all the best. Good luck.
Mo, where are you going?
Thanks, back down.
To the
Call.
pub. Who ordered rain? Did you order rain? I didn't order rain. We are back at the saddle, the call, the Buachaille. I'm not singing it. And that's the way down. That's Stob, Coire, Raineach up there, and it was a success on the 20-metre band with 9 contacts, and used the inverted V on that one just because of the lack of space on the summit. So we just got to head back down, 45 minutes back to the car. So that was Tuesday. Let's see what happens on Wednesday.
Today's Wednesday.
And what are we doing today?
Going up a big hill.
We're going up Aonach Beg and Aonach Mor, and we're using a gondola, which most Scottish hill walkers would consider cheating. And do you consider it cheating?
No, because I think we do our fair share.
We do our fair share. So we're going to relax and get halfway up the mountain.
We are on holiday.
We're on a steep bit. Pause for a photo, not for breath. New Monroe for Mo. Oh, you're going all the way to the top. Well done.
Yay!
But we're going there, so keep moving. Aonach Beg. Last year's snow. Aonach Beg. Okay, Mo's got her tea. This is Aonach Beg radio W3 EDP, perfect view. Now let's see what happens. Right, the band sounds awful quiet. Heard a portable station there, portable station, give me the call sign. Yeah, okay Manuel, Echo Alpha 2 Delta Tango from Mike 0 Echo Fox India Portable, thank you for 4-1. Your signal is very weak Manuel, 2-1, 2-1, 21, over. Yeah, thank you Manuel, yeah, well done, 7-3, QRZ. This is Mike 0 Echo Fox India Portable calling CQ SOTA from Golf Mike, Whiskey Sierra 002 QRZ. Echo Alpha 2 Delta Tango, that's much better Manuel, you're now 59, over.
Yeah, thank you for 59, yes, much better speed than 20, thank you very much. You're 5 by 5, 55. Echo Alpha 2 Delta Tango, good shot, bye-bye, Fraser.
Yeah, brilliant Manuel, great to hear you properly, bye-bye, 7-3, QRZ.
Okay, Papa 1, Juliet, Quebec, Juliet, Kilo 8, Charlie, X-ray, portable.
Okay, I heard a station that was portable.
Sugar, Papa 1, Juliet, Queen, Juliet, 8, Charlie, X-ray, portable. Oscar, Kilowatt 8, Charlie, X-ray, portable.
Oscar, Kilo 8, Charlie, X-ray portable, you're 5-9.
Echo Alpha, Flag, Hotel Bravo 9, Golf Uniform X-ray. Echo Alpha, stroke. Hotel Bravo 9, Golf Uniform X-ray. Quitter.
Yeah, QSL, Echo Alpha, stroke, Hotel Bravo 9, Golf, Uniform X-ray from Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot, India Portable, and you are 5-9, 59 in the clear, and my summit reference is Golf Mike, Whiskey Sierra 002, Whiskey Sierra 002, over.
Yeah, thank you very much, Fraser. Thank you very much. You're on the lock. You're on the lock. My summit reference, Echo Alpha 7, Juliet Alpha 084, Echo Alpha 7, Juliet Alpha 084,
QSL on Echo Alpha 7, Juliet Alpha 084, and a brilliant signal today, really good signal, thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much, Joel, the 5 and 5. Thank you very much for the summit. This is the first activation, and enjoy your day.
Thank you, enjoy your day too, have a safe descent. This is Mike 0 Echo Fox India Portable, QRZ.
Juliet 2, Mike X-ray.
What do we think of Aonach Beg and Aonach Beg?
Lovely. Great views of Ben Nevis as well.
Yeah, awesome hills, great weather. Radio wise, big pile ups on 40 metres and 20, I think it worked about 20 stations on each band. But don't be fooled by this warm October weather, because in about 3 hours time it's about to start raining, and it's not going to stop raining for about 3 days. So I think we timed it well, didn't we?
I think so.
Well done, Mo.
Cheers.
Hope you enjoyed watching these hikes. See you the next time.
Bye.